This is a manual vacuum LCD separator. It has a low noise, powerful suction suited for 110 voltage and 220 voltage operation step. Plug in the power, turn on the power switch. Set the temperature to 80 degrees. After the temperature arrived to 80 degrees, put the silicone pad on heating plate. Take the screen set toward to heating plate. Turn on vacuum switch. The screen will be sucked. Use steel wire press glass. Separate LCD from the glass. Keep it uniform. Do it again. Take out the string. Separate the step finished. See, it's very fast.